Welcome, you guys. Listen, thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I am actually going to step my foot in the ring. I tell you guys all the time, I'll cook food, any kind of food. I'll cook food, but I don't bake. Something got up in my spirit and said, go try to do that pound cake that your grandmother does. I don't know what it was, but I'm going to jump in and I'm going to try to do this pound cake and we're going to see how it turns out. All right? Listen, are you hungry? Let's get to it. Okay, so listen, before you get started, this is the stuff that you're actually going to need to do this. 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 3 sticks of unsalted butter, 6 eggs, 8 ounces of sour cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. So, let's get started. And this is the other thing. Everything needs to be room temperature. No cold eggs, no cold sour cream. Everything needs to be room temperature to actually do this. Okay? All right, let's get started. Okay, you guys, listen. Are you hungry? This is my first time trying this. I'm going to try to do a sour cream pound cake. So, we're going to go ahead and try this and see how it works. I told you all before, baking is not necessarily my thing. I'm more of a food person. I cook food. That's what I do. But for whatever reason, I want to play the cake game. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give it a shot. Let's get at it. First things first, I got 3 sticks of unsalted butter. It looks good. We're going to see what happens. I'll be putting it into my pan. I have to get my pan greased and floured. And then I'm going to put it into the oven, preheated 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. And then I'll check it out and I'll check back with you all then. All right, you guys, in a bit. Okay, guys, I just took this out of the oven and listen, it looks so far so good. Listen, it looks pretty. We're going to let it cool down and then we're going to see what happens from here. Whew, fingers crossed. Are you hungry? Okay, you guys, here is the finished product. This is the sour cream pound cake. This is my first one ever. Let's cut it and see what it's given. All right. Look at that. It's still standing. Are you hungry? All right. Listen, let me go ahead and taste this. All right, you all, I'm going to taste it now. It's nice and fluffy. Are you hungry? I need me some French vanilla ice cream. That's what I need. French vanilla ice cream. All right, well, I tried it. I did it. It turned out good. I'm very happy with it. Anyway, all of the ingredients are there. I'll put it in the box down there. You all could try it like I did. I'm happy with how it turned out. I hope you are too. All right, you guys, I will catch you all next time. Later. Happy holidays to you guys.